Behind the Supreme Court's decisions, a conservative network used the wife of a justice to advance their agenda. In a scandalous revelation, documents reviewed by the Washington Post indicate that Leonard Leo, a key figure in a network of nonprofits that work to support the nominations of conservative judges, arranged for tens of thousands of dollars to be paid to Virginia Ginni Thomas, the wife of Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas. Leo had instructed GOP pollster Kellyanne Conway to bill a nonprofit group he advises, the Judicial Education Project, and to use that money to pay Ginni Thomas for consulting work. However, the billing paperwork omitted her name. The documents reveal that Leo not only served as an ideological ally to Clarence Thomas, but also worked to provide financial benefits to his family. From June 2011 to June 2012, the polling company, owned by Conway, paid Thomas's firm, Liberty Consulting, $80,000, with an expectation to pay $20,000 more before the end of 2012. Although the documents do not specify the nature of the work that Ginni Thomas did for the Judicial Education Project or the polling company, the arrangement is questionable as the Judicial Education Project filed a brief in a landmark voting rights case before the Supreme Court in December 2012, the Shelby County versus Holder case. The court's ruling on the case favored the outcome that several conservative organizations, including the Judicial Education Project, had advocated in their amicus briefs. Clarence Thomas was part of the 5-4 majority that struck down a formula in the Voting Rights Act, which aimed to protect minority voters by determining which states had to obtain federal clearance before changing their voting rules and procedures. Thomas also issued a concurring opinion in the case, arguing that the pre-clearance requirement itself is unconstitutional. Legal ethics experts disagreed on whether the payments made by Conway should have led Thomas to recuse himself from the Shelby case. However, both experts agreed that the arrangement, as well as current ethics rules and disclosure requirements, failed to protect public confidence in the independence of the courts. Justices are required to report the names of companies that pay their spouses, but they are not required to report the names of the company's clients. The scandal has raised questions about the ethics and transparency of conservative networks, including Leo's Federalist Society, in promoting the agendas of conservative judges and groups. Leo has issued a statement defending the Thomases, claiming that the work Ginni Thomas did not involve anything connected with the court's business or with other legal issues. While Leo's statement did not address questions about whether he had arranged other work for Ginni Thomas or how much money he directed to her in total from the nonprofit, this revelation raises concerns about the possibility of more such arrangements.